Okay, so today is Sunday fun day. The last one before we are heading to what do they call Togo. There's a drift competition happening in Togo that has a ton of African countries involved. I might not be going for that because I did not prepare. I can't afford it. But yeah, so today's the last one, the last Sunday fun day before there, and Captain is going out with the Beetle. He just changed the gearbox of that one, so he just changed that gearbox. He needs to test it out, and the E46. And we also have our merch. To send the DM to get one of those. I love the new wheels though. I love
At this point in time, Captain's power steering had failed, so he wanted to wait a few minutes so that he can cool down before he gets back into the truck. This is AJ. He has been in the drifting scene for a couple of years, but recently started taking drifting seriously as of last year. And his growth, his progress has been insane. I think I did a documentary kind of video of him. I'll leave a link to that in the description. And here is DK JAYBASH doing his shit. So this is Captain's Volkswagen Beetle body swap with the 350Z. He recently changed the transmission. It's an automatic transmission, but the previous one failed. Drifting with an automatic is a lot of stress to the gearbox. So this one will probably fail sometime later, but while we're at it, he decided to just test it out and see how it goes.
Okay, so I think something is wrong with the Beetle. Either that or Captain has finished testing it and doesn't want something to go wrong, and then he'll have to tow it back home. So he's sending the Beetle back home, back to the workshop, so that we won't have to have any. But I'll check and I'll just give you guys an update on why. Wetin dey do am? Gear. I'll send you videos. So on our way back, Ebuka's car had a failed fuel pump and we have to tow him now. You never start on me. I beg. My guy, thank you for stopping by today. Thank you, Lord. So, Jawad is in the E92. My captain is going to be using the G80 to go home. Eh? This one, shit! And then we have the F80. Sorry, big man, good evening. You now have the F80. I beg, see, all the generations of M3 are here. Crazy. So, we are having all the generations of the M3 in the shop tonight. F80. The E92. And then the G80. Wait, it be like say don't die you. I bet where you they go like this? House. God. No, I just want to go house. Let me on a drag. No wahala.